So now I'm ready to work a diagonal up. So to work a diagonal up, you're going to single crochet in the next stitch in the back loop. You're going to come directly below and double crochet in the front loop directly below. And it's going to look like that. They're directly on top of each other. And then you're going to skip your next stitch. For me, where I'm at in the chart, I need to do a double crochet down below. So I'm going to skip that one and work into this one. And this is what that looks like. So now I'm ready to do a diagonal down. So the first thing you're going to do is skip the next stitch and work into the next one. And we want to double crochet first. So you're going to yarn over, come down, double crochet in that loop here. Then you're going to go directly above. So we got our double crochet here. I'm going to go directly above. So directly above and single crochet in the back loop only. And that's what it should look like. Skipping that stitch brings your diagonal over, works up, and it fills in the space of those two stitches, and you can continue working normally. So to do the center double crochet decrease, you're going to place a single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. Then you're going to start a double crochet. You're going to double crochet two together, these two stitches, and you're going to be skipping that one in the middle. So you yarn over, insert your hook in the front loop of the row below, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, and you're going to yarn over and go into, so skip this one, go into the next one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through everything. Then you're going to put a single crochet directly above, making sure to skip that center one, so that when you're done, you've got your single, your decrease, and your single.